Chapter 1, that is number systems. So what all things are there in this chapter? First, we'll have a look on that. First is what? First is the introduction of number system. Okay. Next, we'll study about natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers, and irrational numbers. What are the definitions of these numbers? Okay. Next, we'll study about real numbers and their decimal expansion. Next, representing real numbers on the number line. Yes, do you know about number line? See, this is the number line. Okay. Akhil, complex numbers are not there for you in 9th standard. Okay. So number line, on the right side of the number line, all the values that are positive integers, and on the left side we have all the negative integers. Left side of what? Left side of 0. So on this number line, we can represent any rational number. Okay. In class 7th and 8th also, we have seen the representation of rational numbers on the number line. Next, we'll see different mathematical operations on real numbers like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. These are the different mathematical operations that we perform on real numbers. Next, laws of exponents for real numbers. Yes, can you tell me any law of exponent which you remember of class 8? You have studied about laws of exponents in class 8. Yes, anyone remembers any law? No one. See, you have seen such laws. Yes, Ayushi, a to the power 0 is equal to 1. A to the power m multiplied by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. Okay. Next, we have seen the law of division, that is a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to what? A to the power m minus n. Okay. So again, we have seen this one law, a to the power minus m is equal to 1 upon a to the power plus m. Okay, suppose a to the power m multiplied by b to the power m is there. So what will happen in this case? What is this law about? What will be the result here? ab to the power m. Yes, Swaraj, it is correct. Ashish, it is correct. So a multiplied by b the whole to the power m. Okay, suppose there is one more law, a to the power m upon b to the power m. So what will happen in this case? A upon b the whole to the power m. Okay, now here this a is what? It is the base, and this m is what? It is the power. Okay, so for this law, the base should be same, and if the powers are different, so and multiplication sign is there, so addition of the powers takes place. Okay, we'll study these laws in depth when this topic will come. Okay, now next is family of numbers. Yes, can you tell me different families of numbers? Do you know about any family of numbers? Yes, Ashish, it is correct. Integers, natural numbers, whole numbers. Yes, absolutely correct. Okay, so these are the pens. Okay, now how many pens are there on the screen? How many pens are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 pens are there. And we started the counting from 1. Yes or no? We started the counting from 1. So this family of numbers is called as what? This family of numbers is called as natural numbers. All the counting numbers, natural numbers. Okay. Whenever we start the counting of anything, we start it from 1. Okay. This family of numbers is called as natural numbers. Is it clear to everyone? What are natural numbers? All the counting numbers are called as natural numbers. Okay. We'll see the next family then. Okay. Now we are adding a new member. We are adding a new member to the family of natural numbers, and the new family is formed. Okay. See, we have added 0 here, and we have added 0 to the family of natural numbers. So this new family is called as whole numbers. What is this new family called as? It is called as whole numbers. So when we add 0, that is a new member to the family of natural numbers, it gives us the new family, that is whole numbers family. Okay. Any doubt till here? Natural numbers and whole numbers. Please give the response in the chat box. Okay. Now what we'll do, we will expand this family of whole numbers. Okay. Now this is our family of whole numbers. And what we will do, we will add negative natural numbers to this family, and we will get a new family. Okay. See, we are adding negative natural numbers. We are adding the negative natural numbers, and this new family, it is called as integers. Okay. So as the members are being added, new members are being added, the family size also increases. Yes or no? The family size also is increasing. So now this is the graphical representation of all the numbers, family of numbers. Okay. Smallest family is of natural numbers. So the innermost circle is represented by natural numbers. Then what we have done, we have added 0 to the family of natural numbers, a new family, we got it, that is whole numbers. Okay. Then we added few more members, that is negative natural numbers. In the family of whole numbers, we got a new family, that is integers. So that's why integers is represented by a bigger circle, because the family members are increasing. So that's why we'll have to increase the size of the circle also. Getting my point? And finally, at the last, when we take rational numbers, okay, in rational numbers, all integers are also there, are all whole numbers are also there, all natural numbers are also there. This is a new family of rational numbers. Yes, Akhil, integers are represented by I also, and z also. Okay, so now what is a rational number? We'll have to see this. What is a rational number then? Any number which can be written in the form of p by q, where p and q are what? Integers. So any number which is written in this form, p upon q, okay, and q should not be equal to 0. This condition is also important here, okay. And this p and q are what? They are integer values. And we have seen the integer families. So family of integer consists of what? All the negative natural numbers, 0, and all the positive natural numbers. This was the family of integers. Okay, so p और q का वैल्यू इसमें से कुछ भी हो सकता है. बस कंडीशन क्या है? डिनोमिनेटर q शुड नॉट बी इक्वल टू 0. ओके, सपोज अगर मैं ऐसा अगर लिखूं 1/0, सो दिस इज नॉट अ रैशनल नंबर नाउ, क्योंकि डिनोमिनेटर यहाँ पे 0 हो गया है. और जब भी डिनोमिनेटर 0 होता है, दैट इज नॉट अ रैशनल नंबर. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? Is it clear to everyone? What is the definition of rational number? Is it clear to everyone? Denominator should not be equal to 0. If the denominator is 0, okay, then it is not a rational number. And the answer to this is what? It is not defined. अगर denominator में 0 आएगा, तो आंसर क्या आएगा? Not defined. Okay. Yes. Can you give me some examples of rational numbers? Some examples. Yes. अथर्व काटे.
29/100.
29/100. Very good. This is an example of rational number, because here both numerator and denominator, they are integer values. Okay. Yes, Sarthak.
Sir, 2/3.
2/3. This is also a rational number, because both, yes, Swaraj has given -4/9. This is also a rational number. Here numerator and denominator both are integer values, and denominator is not equal to 0, so it is a rational number. Yes, Disha.
Sir, 3/5.
3/5. This is also a rational number. Yes, Akhil.
Sir, 1/10.
1/10. This is also a rational number, because both numerator and denominator are integer values. So is it clear to everyone? Gayatri has given -7/1. Tell me whether this is a rational number or not. -7/1. -7/1. Is it a rational number? Yes, Akhil. Yes, anyone? Yes, it is a rational number, because both numerator and denominator are integer values here. Okay. So now I think so it is clear to everyone. Yes, Sarthak.
Sir, and denominator is not equals to 0.
Yes, denominator is not equal to 0, so that's why it is a rational number. Okay. Can anyone tell me what is the difference between a fraction and a rational number? What is the difference between a fraction and a rational number? Yes. Does anyone knows it? Yes, Gayatri, it is correct. Yes, Sarthak, bolo.
Sir, in fraction, any number is means A and B are whole numbers, and in integers, P and Q are integers.
A and B are whole numbers. Fraction is also in the form of
And
A.
P and
Fraction is also in the form of something upon something, that is A by B. Okay, यहाँ पे B denominator should not be equal to 0, but यहाँ पे क्या होता है, A और B whole numbers होते हैं. But rational number के केस में वो भी होता है, A by B फॉर्म में ही होता है वो भी, but A और B integer values होते हैं. Okay, so that is the difference. So fraction values are always the positive values. Rational numbers can be negative also. Okay, so when we'll get positive rational number and when we'll get negative rational number? Yes, do you have an idea for this? Yes, when we get positive rational number and when we get negative rational number. Both have same sign. Yes, Ashish, it is correct. So when numerator and denominator have same sign, so that time the rational number is positive rational number. Okay, and when numerator and denominator have opposite sign, so that time the rational number is negative rational number. Is it clear to you? Positive rational number and negative rational number. चलो इसका एग्जाम्पल देखेंगे. -3/-5. ओके, अभी सेम साइन है, न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर का साइन सेम है. So this is a positive rational number because here this minus minus will get cancelled. So 3/5, and 3/5 it is a positive rational number. Okay, suppose it is like this, -3/5. Now numerator and denominator are having opposite sign, क्योंकि numerator negative है, denominator positive है, opposite sign है. So in this case it is a negative rational number. Is it clear to everyone the difference between positive rational number and negative rational number? Okay, so we'll move forward then. We'll start the exercise 1.1. Now in exercise 1.1, what is the first question? Is 0 a rational number? Can you write it in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0? What do you say? Is 0 a rational number? Okay, Tejas is telling yes. Sri Hari is also telling yes. Ridhima is also telling yes. Yes, most of you are telling that 0 is a rational number. So yes, what is the answer to this? Yes, 0 is a rational number. Yes, 0 is a rational number. Now, can you write it in the form of P by Q? Yes, we can write it in the form of P by Q. Okay, so we'll write it. So 0/, you can take any value in the denominator now except 0. Okay, denominator should not be equal to 0, क्योंकि हमने definition में क्या देखा है, any number which is in the form of P by Q and Q is not equal to 0. Q means the denominator is not equal to 0. So except 0 you can take any value here. Okay, suppose I am taking 71. Okay, so 0/71, that is now it became in the form of P by Q. Yes or no? It became in the form of P by Q. where q is not equal to 0, so that's why it is a rational number. That's why it is a rational number. और 0 upon anything ले लो आप, उसका आंसर क्या आता है? 0 ही आता है. 0 upon any value, its answer is 0 only. Whatever we have discussed in the previous slides, Ridhima, you will have to write it in the CW and then you will start the exercise. Is it clear to everyone? See, we have represented 0 in the form of p by q. And any number which is expressed in the form of p by q and q is not equal to 0 and p and q, if they are integers, then it is a rational number. Is it clear to everyone? Okay, now we have next question. Find 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. Okay, so we have to find 6 rational numbers that lie between 3 and 4. Now, how we will be doing this? First of all, what does a rational number means? Any number which is in the form of p by q and q is not equal to 0. तो अभी बोलो ये p by q form में है क्या? 3 and 4. Is it in the form of p by q? Can I write this 3 as 3 by 1 and this 4 as 4 by 1? Now it became in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0. Yes or no? Okay. Okay. So now 3 and 4, they are in the form of p by q. Okay. So if we see what are the values between 3 and 4, what are the values between 3 and 4? 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6. These are the values between 3 and 4. Yes or no? Yes or no? We have to write 6 rational numbers between 3 and 4. And these are the values 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 3.5, 3.6. These are the values between 3 and 4. Can I write this 3.1 like this? 31 upon 10. Now it became in the form of p by q. Can I write this 3.2 as 32 upon 10? Can I write this 3.3 as 33 upon 10? Can I write this 3.4 as 34 upon 10? Can I write this as 3.5 as 35 upon 10? Can I write this as 3.6, 36 upon 10? So these are the 6 rational numbers. 6 rational numbers which lie between 3 and 4. Which lie between 3 and 4. See, there are different approaches to get the rational numbers here. I have given you the simplest approach. Okay. If you go by this way, it is very easy to find out n number of rational numbers. Okay, so now we have 6 rational numbers which lie between 3 and 4. Can you tell me how many rational numbers will lie between 3 and 4? How many rational numbers will lie between 3 and 4? Infinite rational numbers, absolutely correct. Infinite rational numbers can lie between these two rational numbers, 3 and 4. What is the reason? What is the reason? What is the reason there are infinite number of rational numbers between any two rational numbers? Sarthak, that is not the reason. See, now instead of this 3.1, because there are infinity decimal between two rational numbers. Yes, correct. Because there are infinite decimal values between these two values. Can I write it like this also? 3.11. This also lies between 3 and 4. 3.12, 3.13, 3.14, 3.15, 3.16. This also lies between 3 and 4. I can write it like this also: 3.111, 3.112, 3.113, 3.114, 3.115, 3.116. So these also rational numbers that lie between 3 and 4. Okay, I can write like this also: 3.1111, 4 times 1, 3.1112, 3.1113, 3.1114, 3.1115, 3.1116. Yes or no? So these all rational numbers lie between 3 and 4 only. So that's why infinite number of rational numbers that lie between two rational numbers, two given rational numbers. Okay. Okay, we'll see the next question now. Now, already the rational number is in the form of P by Q. Okay, and we have to find 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Now, how we will be doing this? By LCM method, there is no need of taking LCM. Already the denominator is same. Already the denominator is same. Why we take the denominator 10? 3.1 को हम लोग ऐसे रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं, अगर हमको डेसिमल पॉइंट अगर हटाना है तो 31/10। 3.2 को हम लोग ऐसे रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं 32/10। 32/10 आप करके देखो, आपको 3.2 ही मिलेगा। 31/10 करके देखो आप, 3.1 ही मिलेगा। मीन्स it's very difficult now. You don't know the conversion of this fractions and decimal. This you have learned in class 7th. Okay, how will write 5 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5? Yes, Vedika.
Yes, sir. Sir, we
Hmm.
can write 3 by 5 as 30 by 50 as they will be equivalent.
Correct. 30 by 50. Okay.
And we can write 4 by 5 as 40 by 50.
Okay, 40 by 50. Correct. Because they are also
And we,
equivalent.
yes, and we will find many rational numbers between them.
So 31 by 50,
Yes,
32 by 50,
yes,
33 by 50,
yes.
34 by 50, and 35 by 50. These are the rational numbers, 5 rational numbers that lie between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. That lie between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? We can do it like this also. 3/5 को हम लोग ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं 300/500. 4/5 को हम लोग ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं 400/500. Now 301/500. This is also the rational number that lies between 3/5 and 4/5. ओके क्योंकि 3/5 को हमने ऐसे कन्वर्ट कर लिया है, 4/5 को हमने ऐसे कन्वर्ट कर लिया है. अब इसके बीच में हम लोग कितने भी रैशनल नंबर्स लिख सकते हैं. 304/500, 305/500. These all rational numbers are between 3/5 and 4/5 only. Yes, increase the 0, 1000, that way also. Okay. Okay, now I think so. This is the last question of this exercise. Na? We'll cover up this also. State whether the following statements are true or false. Give reason for your answer. Every natural number is a whole number. What do you say? It is true or false? Yes, Akhil.
Sir, it is true because natural number are whole number only.
See, natural numbers. The family was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dash up to infinity. And this family of natural numbers, it was included in the family of whole numbers, and one new member was added in the family of whole numbers, that is 0. So that's why all the members of natural numbers, they come in whole numbers. So that's why it is true. Now next is every integer is a whole number. Is it true or false? Yes. Yes, Akhil.
Sir, it's false. Negative numbers are not in whole number.
Correct. It is false. Okay, the last one, every rational number is a whole number. Okay, Disha, bolo. Disha,
Yes, sir. Sir, it is false because rational numbers can be written in P by Q form, but whole numbers are not written in P by Q form.
absolutely correct. Okay, see, for this such type of questions, na, again I will take you back to this chart. Okay, this chart is very important. Huh? अभी देखो यहाँ पे, understand this. I'll give you the logic. When you go from inner circle to outer circle, like जैसे कि मैं अगर statement बनाता हूँ, all natural numbers are rational numbers. I am going from inner circle to outer circle, so then it is true. Then it is always true. If I say like this also, all whole numbers are rational numbers. I am going from inner circle to outer circle. So again, it is true. If I say all integers are rational numbers, then again it is true because I'm going from inner circle to outer circle. But when I come from outer circle to inner circle, अगर मैं ऐसा अगर बोलूं, all rational numbers are integers, then it is false. I'm coming from outer circle to inner circle. If I say like this, all rational numbers are whole numbers, then again it is false because I'm coming from outer circle to inner circle. If I say like this, all rational numbers are natural numbers, so again it is false. So remember this logic. When we go from inner circle to outer circle, then every condition is true. When we come from outer circle to inner circle, then every condition is false. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone? Okay, then complete the CW still exercise 1.1. Okay, everything, whatever this slides are there, you'll have to write it. This families of different numbers. Okay, you'll have to write it in the CW and then you will start the exercise. I'll send you the recording. From that you can write it down.